What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, JasmyCoin. I haven't really talked much about it because there hasn't really been much movement that has been happening. But we saw Hara put out a post. The CFO put out a post, and the last time they put out a post, it was more about kind of focusing elsewhere, not only just having that focus on JasmyCoin, but this post does talk about Jasmy in general, and give you some insights, some understanding of where, Hara's head is on this situation. So I want to talk about that as well as look at where JasmyCoin is. In this video, if you guys could make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you could check out any of the links down below, it does help out the channel. I do have a link for BTCC if you guys are interested in an exchange where you can actually trade JasmyCoin all the way up to a 50x leverage if you want to, but you'll get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link. You'll get extra bonuses up to $10,055, enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, and you can trade all the way up to a 250x leverage on different cryptocurrencies depending on which one, all with no VPN and no KYC that's required. So it offers you a really, really good platform, simple to use platform to understand, and you can also do demo trading, which would be you not using real money, but getting an understanding of how to trade in the market by using fake money in a real market. So go over here, type in JasmyCoin, and you will see it come up, Jasmy to USDT, and you can make your 2x leverage, 3x leverage, 5x leverage. If you see an opportunity that's really quick, you might be able to push a 10x leverage if you want to. So anyways, check it out. Link is in the description where you can get started with BTCC today. Now, JasmyCoin, where it stands price-wise. All history, this is down 99.64%. I know people will say, it's down a crazy amount, it's rug pulled, it's not worth anything, all of that. I understood from the beginning that Jasmy was overpriced with the amount of supply that it did have. But adding that supply can allow them to do so many different things for Jasmy and development and everything there. But the future of JasmyCoin still is bright, and I knew it would be worth multiple billions of dollars. And in 2025, we saw it get to that level of multiple billion-dollar market cap. So if we look at the last year, it's down by 64%. The last month, it's down by 5%. Last week, it's down by 2%. In the last 24 hours, it's up by 1.24%. 40% of a penny, phenomenal level to purchase at. I can always talk about that in depth in other videos, but 44% of a penny is great. A $218 million market cap with $8.78 million worth of volume and 4% volume to market cap ratio. Virtually all the supply is out there at 49.44 billion and 100,000 holders. If you didn't see one of my more recent videos, we officially hit 100,000 holders for JasmyCoin. Now, I believe this is going to be worth a lot. I believe JasmyCoin is going to be worth a lot more than most people think, especially the people that come through and maybe either never heard of it or have something that they feel like is just better than it. But I think it's going to be worth a lot more, and we saw that, right, in more recent history. If we look back to the past year, we saw this at a level of 2 cents, right? 2 cents is about a $1 billion market cap, right? If we look at that, it's a 990 or 984 to be specific, $984 million market cap. And if we look at all history, we can see that this did get up to a $2.28 billion market cap, where it really pushed being worth, over $2 billion to $3 billion dollars for JasmyCoin, which is amazing. Fantastic to see. I expect it to be worth a lot more as we move forward, but again, we'll leave that where it is. Now, recently, Hara put out a post. I know we don't typically see much of an update or much information on JasmyCoin, but let's kind of dissect this a little bit. So, the conversation with Binance is ongoing. Jasmy's greatest feature was its high reliable enterprise focused consortium chain, but it had long been pointed out that this structure made it impossible to verify tracking from external sources. To address this, we introduced Jasmy Chain and laid the groundwork for deploying data as open source. While we have not yet achieved sufficient traction, we are continuing to focus on application development and opening up that environment. Additionally, as a part of our core services, we are currently preparing to launch token issuance KYC functionality on Jasmy Chain for corporate use by connecting PDL and the wallet. So, one, this is great to see that we have any type of information that is out here to say what they are doing. But to see that the conversation with Binance is ongoing, this is kind of in the reply of the monitoring zone. I got a message about this or a chat about this in my last live stream saying that um, what's up with the monitoring zone and when are they going to be out of it? But that conversation is still ongoing. I honestly thought that they were out of that zone, but I guess they were out of the innovation zone and into the monitoring zone as they're monitoring what they are doing. But basically, he's coming out and saying we've made leaps and bounds. We've done a lot of things to show that we are looking to work on the chain. We are looking to work on progression and make JasmyCoin a lot better and bigger. And they keep developing things. It's just you don't really have as much news that's going out there on the things that they're doing behind the scenes because the things that they're doing behind the scenes they want to get done rather than post about it. They'd rather talk about it, or sorry, they rather do rather than talk about it. That makes sense. So anyways, there's a lot of things that are happening. Is it going to be everything going to be absolutely game changing for crypto overall? It may be a big change. It may be a big change for Jasmy themselves, as well as the investors that are investing with it, as well as the users of JasmyCoin, potential users of JasmyCoin. And I think it's just great to have any type of update and even have a response to say, what's up with JasmyCoin? What's happening? Well, this is everything that we've done. We've kind of worked our tails off in order to get out of these zones, in order to uh, place us in a place to where we have security, because that right there creates doubt, right? Knowing that you're in a monitoring zone or innovation zone or whatever the supervised zones are in your exchange, especially an S tier exchange, means that there's doubt out there. And nobody wants to have that doubt, right? We want to have the positivity to say we're out of this and we are strong, because they are. They are very, very strong. And I know that it will have success. It's just whether that success will be kind of suppressed by what we see that Binance is doing to the actual position, right? To the project. So I don't think it's a bad thing that you still have presence there. It's just it's suppressing our growth and how fast we can go. But good thing we're not in altcoin season right now. We're still seeing Bitcoin that's down versus or also other things that are down a massive amount, 50% or more. And JasmyCoin went from a 6 cent price all the way back down to a 40% of a penny price, giving you an opportunity, but also decreasing a heck of a lot in that process. So the way I take it, opportunity to gather more. This is why I have 3 million versus the 1 million at the peak of the bull market, or peak of JasmyCoin's rise, I guess, if you want to say that. But anyways, let me know what you think about JasmyCoin. Do you have any belief that JasmyCoin's going further? Did you read this the right way? Did you interpret this the same way that I did? Or was it like you were just like, this doesn't really matter to you and you're still focused on just seeing the growth? Let me know in the comment section below. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.